The families of 2 Trinidadian men killed in a U.S. strike on an alleged drug smuggling boat have filed a lawsuit against the American government. Lawyers filed the claim in Boston's federal court on behalf of relatives of Chad Joseph and Rishi Samaru, among 6 men killed off the coast of Venezuela on October 14. One of the lawyers said in a statement that the strike amounted to lawless killings in cold blood, killings for sport, and killings for theater. The U.S. has struck at least 36 vessels in the Caribbean and Eastern Pacific since September, killing more than 120 people. The Donald Trump administration has said it is targeting narco-terrorists carrying drugs that kill Americans. And Donald Trump says he'll de-escalate a little bit in Minnesota, describing his position as not a pullback but just a little bit of change. In an interview, Trump says the killings of Renee Good and Alex Pretty were terrible, but adds Good may have been radicalized. Earlier, Democratic House leaders threatened to impeach Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem over the immigration crackdown if Trump doesn't fire her. In the Fox interview, Trump praises the work she did on the U.S. border. Earlier, a Minnesota judge ordered acting ICE Director Todd Lyons to appear in court on Friday, saying the agency's violations of court orders is extraordinary. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.